Hey, what's up, Ron? I want to try to make this 5 minutes or less here. Kind of cram a bunch of information here in a short amount of time. So, um, wanted to quickly get this out to you. So, here's Lake Conroe. Kind of the area that I know you're in. So, when I do a quick search for Lake Conroe boat repair, I got a couple different tools I work with. So this is a tool called Keywords Everywhere. It's showing 50 searches a month. And then some other ones around here, 70 a month for boat repair Conroe, boat repair Montgomery. So you add them all up, I think we're around 150 searches a month just for that. I think there's something else around mobile boat repair as well, another 50 or so searches. So there's a decent amount of volume in your area for sure. So one thing I want to take a look at here are your competitors. So the first one I looked at actually was here at Tim's Boat Repair, Montgomery, Texas. This is site. It's fine, not too bad, but man, you have a great opportunity here to jump up top and kind of dominate your market, man. I tell you what, I'll show you why. So, a lot of what I do with my customers is take their site and basically just pump it up, and there's three main ways to kind of expand your digital presence, your internet presence, or whatever. One, your site's got to have a ton of content. Two, it's got to have a bunch of what's called citations. They're basically digital business cards that you go around and put in different directories, different fish bowls, different restaurants, kind of a thing. Three, and it's got to have a lot of backlinks. Backlinks are essentially endorsements to your site. So I'm going to walk you through one that I did for an auto repair shop here in Dayton. Dayton's got a population, Greater Dayton is about 800,000 people. And there's about 300 shops around town. So, it was fairly competitive. But what we did was we stuck to what we know. We had a lot of content. Content tells your customer, not only your customer, but also Google's search crawlers that go on your site you explain to them what you do, where you do it, over and over and over in a creative and authoritative way, and it gives your site a lot of authority. Again, this is all content that we write, do a lot of research and write. But what happens is, this is another tool we use called SEMrush. But what happens is when people search for mechanics in Dayton, Ohio, my customer shows up number one, 90 calls a month. I think he's getting 40% of that traffic. So, almost 45 calls a month or 45 searches a month he's getting because he's getting searched for this. And it's the same thing for your boat repair business there around Lake Conroe. Do the same thing. I want to show you something else too. So the backlinks, we've done about 4,000 backlinks to this site here, Smith's Auto. Just finding different backlinks around the internet from different high authority sites and linking them back like an endorsement. Try to get other businesses to endorse Smith's Auto. So I'm going to go to, if you remember, this is Tim's Boat Repair. I'm going to bring up the same metrics here, Tim's Boat Repair. And he's got 24 backlinks. He can be beaten pretty easily. We can get you calls going here just within probably just a few months. I'd say normally six to 9 for your first calls, but it may even be quicker than that for you. The competition's pretty light, so if you're interested, man, I'd love to partner up with you and get things going for you. We got a nice opportunity there. So give us a review. Let me know what you think. Shoot me a text, message, whatever. If you want, I can put a little kind of jump on a call, make sure that I'm understanding exactly what you want to do. And if you want, we can kind of work together on a little proposal and timeline to see what makes sense. And if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Just thought I'd throw that out there. So, all right, Ron. Hey, take care. Have a good evening. See ya.